Good morning students. Today we are going to do the MCQs of chapter 2 components of food. In the last video I had made you done the revision of chapter 2 components of food. So in this one we are going to do some of the important questions which are important for your PA exam. So let's start the MCQs. So first question, the food items which contains carbohydrates is. So you know that what is a carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are also known as the energy giving food, and it is a sticky type of material which is present in the food. So out of these, rice, cabbage, vitamins and butter. Out of these, rice is a correct answer in which the carbohydrate is present. You can touch the rice, you can feel that sticky material which is the carbohydrate. Next one is rice, urad dal, salt and water are the ingredients required to prepare. So out of these food items, which food item is made using these ingredients? The ingredients are rice, urad dal, salt and water. So let's see the options: vegetable curry, idli, chapati and sambar. So out of these, what food item is made from these ingredients? So vegetable curry is not the correct answer. Idli, yes, idli can be the answer. Chapati, no. Urad dal, salt is not needed for the chapati. Sambar, and sambar is also not made using these food items. So the correct answer is idli. Now you have to match the items given in column A with those given in the column B. In first one we have been given amla, lemon, soya bean, obesity, goiter. In second column we have been given protein, iodine, vitamin C and overeating. Okay. So amla and lemon are related to what? Amla and lemon are related to this vitamin C. Okay. Amla and lemon are related to vitamin C. Second one, soya bean is what? From soya bean we get the protein. So soya bean would be the correct answer for protein. Now obesity is related to what? Obesity is related to overeating. When you eat a lot ahead of the extent of your energy needs, so at that time you suffer from obesity. So obesity is related to overeating, eating a lot of food. Fourth one, goiter is related to iodine. Due to the lack of iodine, a person can suffer from a disease which is known as goiter, in which the thyroid gland in our throat gets swollen, and it is a type of disease. So first will be related to C. Here A is the correct answer. First is related to C, second one is related to A, third one is related to D and fourth one is related to B. So this is the correct answer. Now fourth one is removal of waste from a body takes place with the help of. So how do the removal of waste, for example the sweat, the urine in the form of sweat or urine, how does the removal of waste takes place in our body? It does take place with the help of water. When we drink a lot of water in sufficient amount, then only the waste material can be removed in the form of sweat and urine. Fifth one, a balanced diet contains all the essential nutrients, and you know what is a balanced diet? A diet in which all the nutrients are present. So in what proportion, in what ratio are those nutrients should be present? They should be present in right proportion. Okay, so our correct answer is option B, right proportion. Sixth one, the larger proportion of food component obtained from bread. From bread, what type of nutrients do we get? There are a lot of type of nutrients. For example, the fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, proteins, fats. So these are the types of nutrients. Out of these, from bread, what do we get? From bread, we get the carbohydrate. Seventh one, raw potato mainly consists of. Raw means uncooked. We have not cooked that potato, it is just raw. So that mainly consists of what? I have told you already that the potato contains the carbohydrates or the starch. Both are the same terms. Next question we have, a girl looks pale and gets tired easily. There is a girl named say Akansha Okay, so that girl looks pale. She looks very pale in color. Pale means light yellow in color. If a person is having less amount of hemoglobin in his blood, so at that time that person starts to look pale. So it means that girl is suffering from what? That girl is suffering from anemia. And what is the symptoms of anemia? The symptoms of anemia are weakness and fatigue. So the girl is suffering from anemia. Next question, tooth decay is caused due to the deficiency of, when we are having the tooth decays easily, when our tooth become very weak, and at that time it indicates the absence of the lack of what kind of nutrient? It indicates the lack of calcium in our diet. Calcium is very important for the strong teeth. 10th one, weakening of teeth is caused due to the deficiency of, when our teeth becomes weak, it indicates the deficiency of what type of nutrient? So it indicates the deficiency of calcium. If you are having proper amount of calcium in your diet, then you will never have the weak teeth, you will have the healthy teeth.